Hey there, and welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use ChatGPT and other AI applications in order to make some seamless and easy to use YouTube short videos. So in order to start our YouTube short video making process, we're going to start with ChatGPT, the first and leading AI linguistics platform. So for example here, we're going to ask it for a topic which we wish to turn into YouTube Shorts. And the topic ideas that we're going to be asking ChatGPT to generate for us are going to be ideas within the self-esteem niche. Now, after ChatGPT has given us 5 lists of topic ideas for YouTube Shorts in the self-esteem niche, now we're going to ask ChatGPT to summarize the entire topic into a 60-second article. We are looking for quick daily affirmations for self-esteem and confidence, and we want each paragraph short and to the point. We also want all the topics to start with "here are" and to keep it all in less than 1,000 characters. Alright, now that we've let ChatGPT summarize the topic into a 60-second article with less than 1,000 characters, let's copy it and format it ourselves in order to feed it to another AI program. So go ahead and format it properly into a easy to read and easy to digest list. And the AI program we're going to be using will be Pictory.ai. By using this AI generative platform, we can turn our script into a YouTube Shorts video. So I want you to go ahead and click on Proceed on the Script to Video button. And then go ahead and copy the formatted list that we've gotten from ChatGPT into the script editor of Pictory. Also, make sure to click on the scene settings on the upper right corner and make sure to create new scenes on line breaks specifically. Since we've specified that we want new scenes on every line break, we have to make sure and press enter on each part of the script we wish to create a new scene on. Now, once you're happy with all the line breaks you've done on the script, go ahead and click on Proceed on the upper right corner to start selecting a theme or layout template for our video. As you can see, Pictory has a huge list of templates that we can use. Since this is a self-esteem YouTube video though, we're going to go with this sunrise template. Now that we've chosen a template, we're now here in the video editor for our project. As you can see, Pictory AI has automatically created a scene for every line break that we've chosen from the script. On the left-hand side of the screen, you can see all the scenes, and on the right-hand side is the scene editor. From the scene editor, we can change the location of the text that Pictory has made, change the text and background color and font, and of course, change the fade in and fade out effect of each scene. Now, once you're happy with the location and the font color, go ahead and let's change the animation for the fade in and fade out of our script on the scene. By clicking on the icon as shown here, we can change the animation for the entry and exit of the text on our scene. For example, we can have the text slide up as it fades in, and then slide down as the scene fades out. As you can see, Pictory will give us a sample of what our effects are going to look like. Once we're happy with the changes we've made, feel free to click Apply to All in order to apply those same settings to all the scripts on every scene for our video. Alright, now that we're happy with the changes we've made to the fade in and fade out of the text on our screen, let's check out all the other scenes and double check if we need to fine tune anything else. Here in this scene, all we want to do is kind of edit it so that the camera is focused on both people and not just one person. Other than changing the font and the fade in and fade out animations, we can also change all the visuals of each scene. For example, here in scene 4, let's change the visuals for the background of the entire scene. You can do this by clicking visuals on the left-hand side. Let's search for respect and choose this one to change our entire visuals for this scene. As you can see, the changes are quite instant and you'll always see a sample of what your scene and video will eventually look like. Now, after going through a bunch more scenes, let's change the background of Faith for this scene. Just like the other scene, let's follow the same steps by clicking on Visuals, and on the search bar, let's go with Faith. Forget that you can always reposition the visuals on each scene to your liking. Right, now that we're done with fixing the visuals of each of those scenes, let's also take a look at the audio for this video. As you can see, by clicking on audio on the left-hand side, we have a bunch of options to choose some default background music, some default AI voiceovers, and we can even upload our own sample tracks and music for use on the video itself.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown.
As you can see, on the list of the voiceover tracks, there are a ton of different options that we can choose and sample from. Each of these voices are original and completely unique from one another, and there are lots of different options for both male and female voiceover options.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
Now, if you aren't happy with the options that Pictory has for AI voiceovers, you can also use this website called murph.ai in order to create another AI voiceover for your video. Simply choose a project title, make sure you choose the audio option, click on the Start Blank, and Create Project. Now, once you've clicked on Create a Project, you can see that this is where you can input the script so that the AI voiceover will read it and turn it into a voiceover for your video. When pasting your script, you also have different options whether to split the script by paragraphs, split the script by sentences, or not split the script at all. And now that we've pasted the script of our choice, as you can see, the AI voiceover has already created voiceovers for all the lines we've inputted. By clicking on the icon of the AI artist, you can also see all the different options that murph.ai has for our choices. For the purposes of this video, we're going to go with this female AI voice called Amelia.
Hello, this is Amelia. I'm from the UK and I happen to be one.
After setting our AI voiceover to Amelia, we can click on each line to hear a sample recording of how it'll sound like, or click on the large play button on the lower bottom center of your screen to hear the entire track with your script.
Here are quick daily affirmations for self-esteem and confidence. 1. I am worthy of love and respect just as I am. 2. I believe in myself and my abilities.
Once you're happy hearing a sample of all the recordings with our script, go ahead and click on Import on the upper right corner to start downloading the format of the voiceover AI recording that we've made. Do note, however, that murph.ai is a powerful AI voiceover tool, but it does come with a subscription upgrade in order to export the file properly. So for now, let's go back to Pictory and choose a default AI voiceover talent from the options that Pictory given us. Once you're happy with your decision of your AI voiceover, we can now choose Preview on the upper right corner in order to see a preview of the entire video that we've made.
Here are quick daily affirmations. For self-esteem and confidence. 1. I am worthy of love and.
Once you're happy with the video preview that you've seen, you can now go ahead and click on download on the upper right corner in order to download a copy of this AI generated file. And there you go, you have now made your first YouTube short purely using these newfound AI tools. If you have any questions with the process that I've shown you today, feel free to leave a comment down below. Like this video if you feel like you learned something new, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this one. Yet again, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.